Unlocking real estate success. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful vehicles of wealth creation, real estate. Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or even beyond, there's no better time to explore how real estate can transform your financial journey. And here's the kicker: it's never too late to start. If you're already thinking about how to leave a legacy for your loved ones, real estate might be your ticket to building generational wealth. First off, welcome to Wealth Rise. I want to take a moment to thank you for tuning in to this episode. Your support means the world to me. If you've liked, shared, and subscribed to our podcast, you're already taking important steps toward not only mastering real estate, but also unlocking doors to financial freedom and wealth-building strategies that can change your life and the lives of future generations. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, share with friends and family, and subscribe to get exclusive insights straight to your feed. Together, we're building a community of investors, dreamers, and future financial leaders. What if I told you that you can begin building a multi-million-dollar portfolio by starting small? You don't need to be a millionaire to get started in real estate. Whether you're just beginning or looking to take your investments to the next level, real estate is a proven strategy for unlocking financial freedom and creating wealth that lasts long after you're gone. Let me take you through why this asset class is the ultimate tool for wealth creation for any age. Why real estate? The benefits to wealth and financial freedom. Real estate is, without question, one of the most reliable ways to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. But why is this the case? What makes real estate such a powerful investment, and how can you leverage it, regardless of your age or experience? Let's break it down. 1. Real estate is a tangible asset. One of the key reasons real estate is such a great investment is because it's a tangible asset. Unlike stocks or bonds, which can fluctuate in value or disappear in volatile markets, real estate is a physical asset. It's something you can touch, see, and use. As long as the property is properly managed and well located, it has intrinsic value. This is especially important when thinking long-term. Real estate tends to appreciate over time, meaning the value of your investment typically increases. Whether you're buying a single-family home, multifamily units, or commercial properties, you're investing in something that has an inherent and lasting worth. That property is likely to grow in value, ensuring that you are continuously building equity, an important asset to have in your portfolio. Number 2, passive income potential. Another great benefit of real estate investing is the passive income it provides. Once you have a property, you can earn income from it without much active effort. Rental income is one of the most popular ways real estate investors generate steady cash flow. With rental properties, whether short-term, like vacation rentals, or long-term leases, you can earn monthly rent checks that contribute to your financial freedom. Additionally, as your mortgage payments reduce over time and your property appreciates, the equity in your property grows, creating even more wealth. Imagine having a portfolio of rental properties paying for your day-to-day expenses, or better yet, providing you with extra income that fuels other investments. 3. Leverage. Building wealth with other people's money. The power of leverage is another reason why real estate is such a valuable tool for building wealth. In real estate, you can control a much larger asset with a relatively smaller investment. This is known as leverage. In simple terms, leverage means borrowing money from a lender, such as a bank, to purchase property, while you only put down a fraction of the total value as your down payment. For example, if you buy a property worth $300,000 with a down payment of $30,000, you are leveraging the bank's funds to control an asset worth 10 times your initial investment. Over time, as the property appreciates and your tenants pay off your mortgage, you are increasing your equity, all while using other people's money to do it. Number 4, tax benefits. Did you know real estate can help you reduce your tax burden? That's right. Real estate comes with significant tax advantages. One of the most notable is the ability to deduct mortgage interest and property taxes. Additionally, you can depreciate your property over time. This means you can deduct the property's value on your taxes, even if the property itself is appreciating. For those serious about building wealth through real estate, Understanding how to maximize tax benefits can help you keep more money in your pocket and reinvest it into more properties, expanding your portfolio and accelerating wealth accumulation. 5. Inflation hedge. In times of inflation, real estate serves as an excellent hedge. As the cost of goods and services rises, so does the value of real estate. Real estate prices tend to increase during inflationary periods because the cost of materials, labor, and land increases. Additionally, rents tend to rise as well, meaning your income from rental properties also increases. This makes real estate an especially powerful tool for wealth preservation in uncertain economic times. Building hereditary wealth and generational prosperity. One of the most compelling reasons to invest in real estate is its ability to generate generational wealth. Unlike stocks, bonds, or other investments, real estate allows you to create a legacy of wealth that can be passed down to future generations. Generational wealth. Building a legacy. When you purchase real estate, you are not only creating wealth for yourself, but you are also laying the groundwork for wealth that can be handed down to your children, grandchildren, and beyond. Think about it. A property that you buy today could appreciate in value for decades, potentially providing financial security for your loved ones long after you're gone. This is what we mean by hereditary wealth, wealth that's passed down through the generations. This kind of wealth doesn't just fade away, it grows stronger and more stable with each passing generation. Additionally, if you set up your real estate investments correctly, such as with trusts or inheritance planning, you can ensure that your children and grandchildren benefit from the properties you leave behind, further building the financial foundation for their success. The power of real estate for all ages. Here's the exciting part. You don't need to wait until retirement to start building generational wealth through real estate. No matter what age you are, you can begin investing now, even if you're just starting in your 20s or in your 50s or even 70s. The key is taking action, being patient, and making smart, informed decisions about your real estate investments. In your younger years, real estate is a great tool to accelerate your wealth-building journey. With time on your side, even small investments today can grow into substantial assets later in life. For those later in life, real estate can serve as a way to supplement retirement income and leave behind a legacy for your family. The financial freedom that real estate provides can allow you to enjoy your golden years without the stress of worrying about outliving your savings. No matter where you are in life, real estate offers an opportunity to create wealth that compounds over time, positioning you for financial security and independence. The path to real estate success, your next steps. Now that we've touched on the incredible potential real estate has to offer, let's talk about how you can get started on your own journey to success. 1. Educate yourself. The first step is to educate yourself. Invest in resources, courses, and experts who can guide you in the right direction. There are countless books, podcasts, and mentorship opportunities to help you grow your knowledge. 2. Start small. You don't need to buy a multi-million-dollar property to begin. Start with a small investment, perhaps a single-family home or a duplex, and work your way up from there. 3. Network. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who are also interested in real estate. Join groups, attend events, and seek out mentors who can help you navigate the ups and downs of investing. 4. Plan for the long term. Real estate is not a get-rich-quick strategy, but with patience, consistency, and smart decision-making, it can be a reliable way to build wealth for years to come. 5. Be consistent. Real estate investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The key to long-term success is staying consistent, continuing to learn, and taking action. Unlock your financial freedom. Thank you for sticking with me through today's episode. Real estate offers endless possibilities for building wealth, achieving financial freedom, and creating a legacy of generational prosperity. The benefits of real estate are available to anyone, regardless of age or background, so there's no better time to get started. Remember, wealth is built over time, and the earlier you start, the greater the opportunity to create lasting financial freedom. Whether you're 20 or 60, it's never too late to take the first step toward unlocking real estate success. If you found today's episode valuable, Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep this conversation going. Together, let's build wealth, achieve freedom, and make our dreams a reality. And it all starts here with real estate. Until next time, keep investing in your future. By focusing on the themes of wealth building, financial freedom, and generational prosperity, this episode will leave listeners excited about the potential real estate has to offer, regardless of their current stage in life. With a strong call to action and relatable insights, they will be motivated to take the first steps in their own real estate journey.